So, you're the punk I've heard about.
DJ Hip é o brabo da putaria.
Então vem chupando minha bucetinha, então vem chupando minha bucetinha.
Please, let's have a little respect for public transportation.
I should probably turn myself to a poster boy. If I saw it, make myself turn to